Yo, what's happening, YouTube? Coming at you with a brand new product. You might see it down here on the floor beside me. Deaf Bonce has come out with their first ever, I just spit, their first ever loaded enclosure. So I'm going to flip this around and show it to you. They've never offered one of these before, but now that they have two of them out, I'm going to give you a little tour of them and show you what they're working with. Check it out. All right, so we're here at the warehouse. It's, I think, 7 p.m. or so. We got the post office picking up down there. And we just got in, I think, 7 or 8 pallets of Deaf Bonce. We got a lot of their loaded enclosures. I know these things are going to be super popular. So there's 2 different models. They have the Deaf Bonce machete. I'll start off with the lower wattage model right here. So they look, from the outside, they're going to look very similar because the only thing that's going to be different is the logo right here and the model. So the lower wattage model, which is going to be 700 watts RMS, is going to be the machete light. So it's going to be 2 machete light 12s in a loaded enclosure. And this one is only $349. This includes shipping as well. And then down here we have the bigger, more beefy model, which is going to be the dual 12 1600 watt model, which has the machete fights in there. So you won't be able to see the difference from the outside other than the logo, like I was just telling you, but these things look super cool. Definitely liking the 2-tone boxes that they have going on here. Got the Deaf Bonce across the top. Nice carpet. It feels like felt. This kind of reminds me of a pool table right here, so it's kind of funny. But anyway, this is their loaded enclosure setup. They got a nice little grill here to help protect against stuff running into it. There is a slight taper. As you can see, there's a slight taper on the back right here. So if you're going to be putting it in like an SUV, you slide it up against the back seats right there. It'll fit more flush with it instead of it, like if it was flat, there would be like a triangulated gap right there. But anyway, I definitely am digging the 2-tone color on this. Very nice looking setup here. And here's the terminals they have for it here. So this is going to be wired to a 1 ohm load, so you'll be able to get a 1 ohm load for your amplifier, which are what most amplifiers are rated and warranted at these days. A perfect match, in my opinion, for this loaded enclosure would be the all-new Down for Sound JP23 amplifier. Doesn't this amplifier look beautiful up there, paired up with the Deaf Bonce loaded enclosure? This will be an awesome setup. This one is only $449, so very budget friendly, nice budget subs. You could get this box $449, this amplifier until the 15th of this month for $299 before the price goes to normal. So you'll be $300 and $450, so $749 shipped. I mean, you need to get a wiring kit, so another maybe $100. Easily less than $1,000 you would be slamming with a good Deaf Bonce setup here. So this is something I wanted to show you guys. We got, I think we only were able to get, I think 40 of each one, so not too many. These will go fast. I know the preloaded enclosures that we do with Sundown have been rolling out like crazy, so be sure to check them out. We also just got in a lot of the AAK amplifiers, the 180.4s right here. We were out of those for so long. We just got in a bunch of the AAK stuff. Anyway, I didn't want to make this video too long, but I wanted to show you the new product here. Very, very cool. I know this is going to be a hot seller. So head over to downforsoundshop.com. Grab you one of the new Deaf Bonce packages. I know you will be super impressed with it. Don't forget, we have 2 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab. No credit check, up to 100 days, same as cash. So be sure to check that out. You can get the system of your dreams today and pay it back over time, making it easier than ever for you to have the system of your dreams. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this package. Oh, yeah.